Hey, what's going on? This is Minister Gold. This is a mix-it-up tutorial on how to, at all times, display the current date and time. And the reason why you do this is because not everyone is in your time zone. Someone could be in the next day, someone could be the previous day, someone could be in a totally different time. And so this lets everybody know, no matter who's watching you, what time you're on. Um, So yeah, so they know like is it afternoon for you, morning, evening, stuff like that. So they just have an idea of where you are in the world and what the current time is for you. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos like these. And if you want to talk about Twitch, Mix It Up, gaming, life, whatever, then follow me on twitch.tv/ministergold. Okay, so I want to update you real quick as far as like I am on the preview program of Mix It Up. You may be on the original program, and that's okay. You can still get this done in the original program. The preview program has like features that are not available to the original program, and these features are on beta. So I just decided to test it out. But you don't have to make that commitment to get this to work. So just a heads up on that. Okay, so click on the menu in the top left, go to Overlay Widgets, click on Add Overlay Widget. We're looking for text. I've already added it, so I'm just gonna show you where that is. So this is my text widget. Behind me, which I'm actually gonna move myself up here. Behind me, below, hit the pencil if it's available for you. Now, the current date time you see is the American format, and I have a font size of 40. I just have the Arial font name, and I chose text color of white. And then as far as the background on it, I went to CSS. I typed in under where it says dot text. You'll go to shadow color and just hit enter. Add new line. 1, 2, 3, 4 to line it up. And then you can type in background color, background dash color. I'll put in a notepad. This might be too small for you. Let me just show you real quick. Okay, so over here you have background dash color, colon RGBA. RGB stands for red, green, blue. A stands for alpha, as an alpha channel. 0, 0, 0 for red, green, blue. That makes it black. And 0.5 gives it a transparency, a semi-transparency. If you set it to 1, it'll be full on black. But I don't want that. I'm setting it to 0.5, and that makes it semi-black. Okay? So that's to get the background behind it. If you want it to be full on black, then just set it to 1. Okay? So that's how we got the appearance that I have right now, and I'll paste that in the comments after we're done with this. Okay. Um, Now one more thing. One more thing I want to mention is if you want the time to refresh, set the refresh time seconds to 1 so that it's checking for the current time every second. And that's how to keep the time updated. Now, as far as let's say you don't want to follow the American standard for date and time. Here's what you can do instead. Now, over in the Mix It Up wiki, there is a section called Special Identifiers. Click on that, scroll down to General, and you'll see the first thing is date/time. Now, I was looking at the format of the United Kingdom, for example, where it is the day, the month, and the year. Now, what I like to do instead is, well, okay, so first of all, we can't automatically get the month. It's just not a special identifier that is available. So what we'll have to do is this. We'll need the date day first. Then we'll supply the month. We'll actually type in what the month is, and then date year. So I'll paste it in. So over here where it says date month, we're erasing that and putting September. And then we'll just save it. And then if you want the current time also, you would go, let's see, time. Just go $time, and then we'll save it. Let's see. So yeah, it says 24th September 2024, 7:22 p.m. Okay. So if you want to change the format of the date, then that's how you do it. Um, so yeah, that's how to set the date no matter where you are. I don't have a way yet to do it automatically. I have an idea of how to do that, but I want to wait to see if anyone is actually interested in knowing how to do that. If you are, then I'll make a video on how to automatically set the month. There's one more thing I want to talk about in terms of how to position the date and time. I'm going to change my date and time back. So we'll just set this back to $date time. Okay. Now, if we go to position, you'll see that I have it set to, first I've set it to percentage. And if you're not in the preview program, the position piece of this widget should be in the top right instead. So I've chosen percentage, and for the position, the X position, it's at 13%. So that means it's 13 from the left, and it is 95% from the bottom. Let's say you want the top left. If you set this to 5, that'll get you to the top left. Let's say you want it on the right side. If you set this to 88, you'll get that on the right side. Let's say you want this back on the bottom right. You set the Y position to 95. Then you'll get that in the bottom right. But I like it on the bottom left for now, in case I do shorts, because that's where my camera is. And there you go. There you go. Let's see. I think that is pretty much it. I'll paste I'll paste the special identifiers that I used in the description. I'll put the background color information for the CSS in the description as well. And then I think that's, oh yeah, I'll also put the wiki in my description. And sorry, I'll put the special identifiers and the CSS in the comments. I'll put the wiki link in the description. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you have a automatically updating date and time on your stream. And again, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos like these. If you want to talk about Twitch, gaming, Mix It Up, or life, follow me on Twitch on twitch.tv/miniaturegold. All right, thank you. See ya.